Good evening, classmates. This is my Unit 4 discussion, an overview of thin and thick clients. Okay. I discovered that a term of a thin client was invented in 1983 by a person named Tim Negris, who was the vice president at Oracle Corporation at that time. Okay. And before that, I believe that the equivalent to that thin client would have been dumb terminals back in the 70s when I started to work in the computer field. And then we used them our users that were located at remote sites were set up to use a dumb terminal to log on to use a centrally located hardware, software, and applications um, into the data center. Okay, so the term again, the thin clients are personal computers without hard drive. Okay, and they have a built-in thin client type software with no applications, or maybe have a web browser or something like that. It is less expensive and and used where employees need to log on from remote sites and they do not have to store anything on their PC, or maybe working on some confidential a type of data or applications where they would have to log in centrally or log in via cloud. Okay. The thick client, pardon me, is actually a full function personal computer loaded with all the applications, and that can function without using anything from the network, or it can if set up that way. It may have a browser or not. Example would be, if I was a book writer and I would dedicate my time just to write a book and I didn't need anything else, I could have a full version of desktop applications like Word or a publisher or something like that, and I would work on that, not needing the network. What would I be in favor of? If I would depend on the work I would be doing. Okay, so um, if I would work for a company or I would do a consulting for a company, I would first have to know what they are up to before I would recommend something.